Before and during the early days of social media, I filmed dozens of hours exploring abandoned places. But at that time, no suitable platform existed to share long-form videos, so the tapes sat in storage. Until now. Past the Present Future's Vault series begins with a look at Detroit's historic train station, Michigan Central Station, 10 years before Ford started renovations. At the time of the recording, the station had sat abandoned for 20 years. Join me as we travel back in time and go exploring past the present future. The footage begins in Michigan Central Station's main waiting room. It was a truly breathtaking sight to experience, even after 20 years of vandalism, theft, and ownership neglect. 2 decades of decay couldn't hide the beauty of the marble floors, Corinthian columns, and arched ceilings. Michigan Central Station was Detroit's train station for 75 years. The station and office building, opened in 1913 and built for an equivalent price in 2021 of $68 million, was architected in the Beaux-Arts style by the same team who designed Grand Central Station in New York. The station was a mirror for the rise of Detroit. The main concourse included copper skylights, a lunch counter, and 10 passenger gates. During the station's heyday, lines would often stretch from the gates to the waiting room's main entrance, but now it was just an empty, graffiti-covered echo chamber.
Were they over here?
Yeah, there's a few people I think who went into the vomit door on the right.
Vomit door.
I think they're trying to get up to that.
I want to hit the top. Oh, there's the elevator. And there's the stairs. Excellent.
So we're going all the way up and then we're down again?
If my heart can take it, sure.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah, this might be go up 5 floors, rest for an hour. Go up 5 floors, rest for an hour.
There's more stairs.
Yeah,
Where's the start rest?
this is the 1 hour rest break. Ooh, is that the,
Yeah, so this one's all blocked off. Oh, this one's open. And you can see right down.
oh yeah?
Yep.
Wow.
You were in the men's room, you pervert.
It's true.
Okay, sicko.
Angie crossing the line once again.
There's always a line at the women's.
Yeah, true. Sometimes you just gotta use the guys. Okay, let's do the first step. Note to self.
Yeah, there's some in here that are just like boards.
With its marble walls and floors, the office tower included 500 offices for the railroad's 3,000 employees. Despite all of that activity, the tower's top floor was never used.
This is Chris, we're at the top floor.
Peter, was there a message that you relay? I
After World War II, the rise of the automobile and aviation industries prompted a rapid decline in America's intercity rail system. By the late 1960s, Michigan Central Station was serving just 25% of its peak passenger service. The office tower's upper floors became vacant, and the main waiting room and restaurant were closed. The decay we witnessed on each floor began during this period. During the next 20 years, the increasingly empty and decaying station struggled until the last train departed on January 6, 1988.
What's the third to last and second to last? All right. That's it? Yep. All right. Should be okay.
By 1991, the abandoned and unprotected station and tower fell prey to vandals and thieves. A series of owners were unwilling or unable to protect the grand building. The station very much reflected the downfall of Detroit during this time. The station's final owner during its years of negligence was billionaire Matt Marone. After 15 years of neglectful ownership, Marone finally initiated cleanup and the installation of new windows to attract a buyer.
So, shall we? Ooh, I like that. Yeah, that's quite something. I think it was over here.
Yeah.
Yep.
In early 2018, Ford announced they bought Michigan Central Station and will convert it into an innovation hub. It will be an open platform for innovators, startups, entrepreneurs, and other partners from around the world to develop, test, and launch new mobility solutions. Once again, Michigan Central Station is a mirror for the rise and now rebirth of Detroit.